Hello and welcome to another video lesson. In our previous clock video, we learned how to read the time on a clock. Now, we will learn about a new concepts called AM and PM. These two terms are important because they help us understand if it's morning or afternoon, evening when we read the time. So, let's dive in and learn more about AM and PM. AM and PM are abbreviations for morning and afternoon and evening, respectively. When we read the time on a clock, if it's before 12 o'clock noon, we use AM to show it's morning time. If it's after 12 o'clock noon, we use PM to show it's afternoon or evening time. For example, 10:30 AM means it's 10:30 in the morning, and 3:30 PM means it's 3:30 in the afternoon or evening. That's all for today. Take care and see you next time.